In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming on your Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the steps that are required for you to access cloud gaming through your console. So, the first thing that you should do is make sure that you have a strong internet connection, because cloud gaming services require you to stream the game over your network connection. If you are downloading too much stuff, if you have too many people using your network and taking up bandwidth, this is going to make your experience very poor, and sometimes the games aren't even going to load. So you need to make sure that you either have a lot of access available or that you have a network reserved for yourself. You can talk to your ISP to see what can be done about this. Sometimes you might be able to reserve, for example, 75% of the available bandwidth to you exclusively, and then 25% for the rest of your family, or something along those lines. Of course, you can also invest in a bigger plan, but all I'm trying to say is that you should make sure that you have as much bandwidth available. Pause any downloads on the background and see if a lot of people are using your internet at the current moment. With the network requirements out of the way, the next thing that you have to check is to see if you have an active Game Pass subscription. Even though some games available on cloud, for example Fortnite, are available for everyone, a majority of the titles are only going to be played if you have a Game Pass subscription active. So if you don't have a Game Pass subscription, go over to the store and make sure that you acquire one. To my knowledge, the Ultimate subscription is going to be the best to access cloud gaming regardless of your platform, both PC and console. With the network requirements and the Game Pass subscription out of the way, the next thing that you have to make sure is that Game Pass is available in your region. You can go over to this website on Xbox.com that tells you the supported regions where Game Pass is available. Assuming that you are in a very popular country like the US, you should have access to Game Pass officially. But if you don't, you will have to look into alternatives, such as changing the region of your Xbox. Regardless, as long as you ensure that all of this is in order, you will be able to go into your library, choose the option to see the full library, and then select Xbox Game Pass under the offers. In there, you will be able to browse through all of the games available on the Game Pass service, and in some of them, you are going to notice this little cloud icon. Whenever you see the cloud icon, that indicates that that specific game can be played over cloud. If you don't see the cloud icon, then the game that you are trying to play is not available on Xbox Cloud Gaming. With all of this out of the way, just select the game, tap play, and you will be good to go. Make sure that you met the network requirements, the Game Pass subscription requirements, and that Game Pass is officially available in your region. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Game Pass and cloud gaming on your Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.